Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix content creation with Jarvis AI step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Jarvis AI account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the project you want to work on. Click on the Create New Document button to start a fresh piece of content. Choose the type of content you want to create. This could be a blog post, social media post, or ad copy. Select the appropriate template from the available options. Once you've chosen your template, start entering your topic or keyword in the designated field. Next, click Generate to allow Jarvis AI to provide you with initial content ideas. Review the generated suggestions and select the ones that resonate with your vision. If needed, tweak the suggestions to better fit your style and voice. Now, expand on the selected content snippets. Add your unique insights and details to create a more personalized touch. Feel free to use Jarvis AI's additional features, like the command or tone settings, to refine your writing. After you've drafted your content, review it for clarity and coherence. Edit for any grammatical errors or awkward phrasing. Once you are satisfied with the content, save your document. You can also export it directly to your preferred format. Finally, share your newly created content with your audience through your desired platforms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.